made the right choice by choosing a first response pregnancy test. This is a brand that understands the kind of anxiety you're feeling now, and they've developed the superior science to make you feel assured that you can trust your answer. First Response detects all major forms of the pregnancy hormone, and it's the only brand with tests sensitive enough to detect HCG 6 days before your missed period. Before you test, I recommend reading all of the directions on the insert in your box to familiarize yourself with the steps to take when using your first response pregnancy test. First response tests can be used at any time of day, though HCG, the pregnancy hormone, is more concentrated in your urine the first thing in the morning. You should, though, take care to not drink or urinate 2 hours before taking your test. First Response makes it easy with 2 ways to test. First, remove your test stick from its foil wrapper and lift off the pink overcap. Then hold the test by its thumb grip with the absorbent tip pointing downwards and with the display window facing away from you. And just place the tip in your urine stream for 5 seconds, taking care not to get the plastic stick wet. Or simply collect some urine in a clean, dry cup and dip the absorbent tip for 5 seconds for early result, 20 seconds for rapid result. Keep holding the stick with the tip pointing down. Replace the pink overcap and lay the stick on a hard, flat surface with a display window facing up. Now, here's the hard part, waiting for your result. And with rapid result, you won't have to wait very long, just 1 minute. With early result, there's not much of a wait either, just 3 minutes. Reading your result is simple. Any 2 pink lines means the pregnancy hormone HCG was detected, even though the shade of the second line may vary. 1 pink line means the pregnancy hormone HCG was not detected. It may look like it's next to a white line, a gray line, or an indent, but these all mean that you may not be pregnant, or it may be too early to tell. If you do not get your period within 7 days, you should retest at that time with another first response pregnancy test, and refer to the package insert for more detail and next steps. If you do receive a positive test result, make sure to make an appointment with your healthcare provider.